Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can turn off traction control on your Toyota Corolla. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. So in order to be able to turn this option on or off, it's pretty easy. All you need to do guys is go here to the left side of your steering wheel. And then as you can see guys, you're going to find all of these options right here. As you can see guys, here is the button of the traction control. In order to turn it off, just give it a click, and then as you can see guys right here on this dashboard, it's going to be shown that you deactivated. And if you want to activate it again, it's pretty easy. Just go back right here and give it another click, and then it's going to be activated. I don't advise you guys to keep this option off. Use it only when it's really necessary to turn this option off, such as when you're stuck in snow or if you are stuck in mud. But for normal driving, it's safest to keep traction control turned on. So this was it guys for today's tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and see you guys in the next video.